there, guys! It's me, Craze. We're back in another video. I'm sorry you guys haven't heard my voice in a while. I'm kind of busy nowadays. There's a lot of commotion going on where I'm at, so I'm not sure what to do. So we're playing Sonic Boom Dash 2. Why am I playing this? I don't know. Let's get in. Here we go. Okay. So this thing is like I could get Shadow if I run for a long time. I'm the best at Sonic games. Except for Sonic 1. I could have got that darn fourth Chaos symbol. And yes, I just used the Sonic Quip from Shadow the Hedgehog. Okay, game, I know how to play this game. Sheesh. Whoa. That was cool. Let me turn this up so you guys can hear. This stuff gets on my nerves. Okay. Gosh darn it, I forgot the MVP is always talking. Oh yeah, I'm in a drum line, just so you guys know. I'm never telling you where I'm at. Only one person knows where I'm at. And they know who I'm talking to. They know who I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm talking directly to you. You know who I'm talking to. If you don't know, that's because you do not look through my text messages. Okay? That's what I'm talking about. By the way, she's my one and only. No one shall have her but me. Darn MVP. I'm trying to make a video here. I should have muted them for an hour. Whoa. That was quick. Whoa, oh, come on. I got 8. Forget it. Revive. Yee. I'm back, bitches. I'm gonna have to cut that part out. Tyler, where you at? Tyler! I need you to cut that part out. Tyler? Darn it, Tyler is gone. Why don't I hire more staff? Wait. Where's Jice? Jice, where you at? Jice! Jice! Why did you guys leave? It makes sense. But you guys can't leave on the job. I've been working. I mean, these videos take a lot of time, you know. Oh, Lord. I haven't played this game in a while. Makes me want to play with someone. Wait, what? Okay. That's a bit weird. Okay, the video maker has made its place back. Okay, who is this at the store? No, don't die yet. Darn it, Craze. I'm gonna use an ad. Messenger. I don't want to know about Messenger. Can I get a cool ad like about Sonic games or something? Oh, by the way, if you're hearing gaming down there, that's just Danny Phantom. He's another YouTuber. Go subscribe to him. Danny, have you seen Charles? The one who edits our videos. Danny, what the heck did you just do? He boxed up Charles? But he's the one who edits our videos. Charles? What? Let me guess, their last name is Charleston? What? Okay. Charles, your family is weird. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, come on. Let me guess. Private Charles? How in the world? Okay, I'm not gonna ask.